How to create a list in ActiveCampaign. You go here to contacts and then you make sure you show navigation, and here you click on lists. Make sure you like the video, subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos, and leave a comment below what kind of videos would you like to see next. Now when you're here, you click on add a list and then you name it. You can, like, whatever is, I would name it accordingly to the product you promote, or just so you stay organized, okay? So for the purposes of this video, let's put my demo list. You put URL of your website, and then here you remind the contacts why they are on this list, so they know, because otherwise they can mark it as a spam and your deliverability will decrease. And then you hit add, and that's how you create your list. Okay, so like the video if this was helpful, subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos, and let me know if you have some questions. And now you can watch this next video that you are gonna love. Okay, I will see you there.